What's up, folks? Justin Phillip here from 2000's Productions, and the poll has been released on the community tab, and a lot of you guys voted in on it, so thank you for doing that. So here it is, the behind the scenes series of my new micro short film, Early 2000s. Now, some good news and some bad news right out the gate. Bad news is I had tons and tons of GoPro footage all behind the scenes of this thing, like 2 days worth, and it was all sadly accidentally deleted. Good news is that my lovely fiance Marianne, she came through. She had about 75 clips all behind the scenes on her cell phone, and so we were able to use all of those to give you guys this behind the scenes. And there were about 5 or 6 GoPro clips that I was able to retrieve. This is my micro short, early 2000s. The whole thing, runtime with credits, is about 4 minutes and 35 seconds, so it's very, very short. It's gonna be a while till you guys see the full completed end product because it's being submitted to festivals, a lot of local festivals here in Los Angeles. And also I'm gonna be cutting about a 60-second version of it to have as a spec commercial because there is some product placement in there of a very popular skate brand. It is a skateboarding film, so it was all filmed on the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K, and about 80% of the footage was captured using the Flycam HD 3000. It's a lot of skateboarding and me skateboarding next to the talent, and so it was a pretty intense, pretty ambitious little project. With only 4.5 minutes long, it took me about 15 hours. A full 10-hour day was the first day, and then the second day was about a 4 or 5 hour day. So lots and lots of setups, and it was a little intense. The lenses I used was my Rokinon Cine Primes, the 10mm, the 16mm, 24, 35, 50, and a few shots, 1 or 2 with the 85mm. And it's all exterior shots, so no lighting setups, and just working off of my Tiffin IR variable ND. If you haven't seen the review that I do on that special unicorn Tiffin IR ND, I recommend you guys check it out. I compare it with the original Tiffin ND, which isn't that popular because of its capabilities. And if you've seen my videos, if you subscribe to this channel, you saw a few weeks back, we did crash the Mavic Pro drone during the filming of this micro short. And if you haven't catched that video, I encourage you to stop this and go watch that right now and then come back and continue watching this first episode of this little series. This is gonna be a series, probably anywhere from 2 to 4 videos in total. It's quite a bit to show you guys, and I wanted to keep the videos short. I hope you guys enjoy this, and happy Easter, everybody, and until next time, keep on shooting. Everyone settle? Action! This is only half the Prius. This is the Prius package with no lighting fixtures. No lighting fixtures! Now how the heck do I do it? Just don't know. Well, we usually don't bring our own snacks. Me with an audio thing, now that's funny. To land on you, all right? Yeah, these are good levels here. So we'll leave you on 50. Yeah, it's on hold. I mean, anything bad, you know, just make it character-like. Just be talking about skate spots here at school. You know what I mean? Don't talk about drugs or anything like that. Normally I would be okay, but not today. He trying real hard to be cool, right? To be big, expressive, telling big stories, and you're just like, you funny, you know what I mean? Yeah, exactly. You got it. So that's kind of it. You guys are hanging out, and we'll just do that one for now, and we'll do when you see the cop in the next one. This on 2-8. We're on 2-8. Let me just check for the zebras here. Look at that. Well, it's gonna be a long time before we blow out over here. This is great. Quick, don't really worry too much about the dialogue. Just be kind of like, oh, and then this. Do like a 3-word punchline or something that involves big arms, and then you like, big back, waving your head back, okay? And it's still rolling, and whenever you're ready, action. Seven, try when you're talking about the wobbles. Talk about the wobbles and go like this, right?
Okay.
And maybe stand on your board a little bit, and you just be dying laughing with your head back the whole time.
All right.
Okay, and action.
All right, so I'm going down the hill, and I get the seat balls. And you know, I bail off just like that. And then I almost broke my neck.
That's the one, guys, that's the one. All right, we got that. Yeah.
Down the hill, and I get the speed wobbles, and then I bailed off, bro. Almost break my neck. So then I go down, my back's almost. Oh, shit.
Hey!
Go!